Week 15, guys. That is over a quarter of a year already, man. I can't believe this. We've been doing Sneaker Mystery Box Fridays for 15 weeks straight now, and to celebrate, this one is going to be a huge one. This box is actually $2,000, and it's from a company that you guys have not seen a mystery box from before, so I think those are always the best kind of boxes because it lets you guys see, okay, this is another option for me to buy sneaker mystery boxes. Is it reputable? Is it not? Should I not buy? We know a couple companies we shouldn't buy from, right? There's at least one. Anyway, this one is from Direct Kicks, and again, it's $2,000, so I'm excited to open this one up. So stay tuned because Sneaker Mystery Box Friday is in full effect right after this. Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, coming at you with another video. In this video, we have a sneaker mystery box for you guys on Sneaker Mystery Box Friday, $2,000. It's gonna be crazy and we're gonna get into it real quick. But before we do, I do want to give a shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Privacy.com. Now this is really important because recently I've been getting like an influx of emails, which is super unfortunate, from a lot of people that have been getting scammed online. The recent one that I just saw was one from a person trying to like use a proxy service, which is basically like a middleman in the sneaker scene. This person paid money and also gave his card information to the proxy service because that proxy service seemed reputable, and they also said they can secure the Yeezys. So they said, okay, sure, I'll give you my credit card, you buy the shoes for me, have it sent to my house, done deal. Unfortunately, the shoes never arrived to this person's house, which was really sad. And on top of that, his credit card information was stolen as well, which is just really unfortunate, man, because this person gave that company the benefit of the doubt. To avoid that, what he should have done is used Privacy.com, because that would have solved all of his problems right there. Now, Privacy.com is a technology that allows you to create virtual credit cards, keeping your bank information private and secure. For cases that you may purchase from a merchant frequently, you can create a merchant card that can be used as many times as you'd like while ensuring that a breach doesn't put you at risk. It's completely free and super easy to set up on your phone or web browser, and even comes with a Chrome extension to make checkouts fast and easy. On top of that, you're able to create these things called burner cards, which can be used once on a website and then immediately closed right after. Very smart tool to use. So what I need you guys to do is head over to the description below, click on that link, it will take you to privacy.com/untied, where you guys can create your accounts today. What's even better is that when you guys do click that link in the description below, you guys are actually given $5 towards your next purchase when you guys use Privacy.com. That's right, it's free money for sneakers. So you guys are able to use that Privacy.com burner cards or merchant cards, whichever you want, and you'll automatically get $5 off that first purchase. So why would you not want to be safe and also have free money? So check out privacy.com/untied and start buying safely today, guys. And now it is beater box time. This one is $2,000 and we are ready, man. I'm not sure if you guys have heard of Direct Kicks. I believe they're located out on the East Coast, but I saw people tagging me on the Instagram saying, Bryson, you have to check this box out. I've been hearing good things about it, so I decided to check it out. First things first, I'm gonna pull out these, and what we got here is a pair of Foamposites in a size 8.5, size 8.5 Foamposites. No box though, and I'm not certain what this colorway is. It's got like some Spider-Man vibes going on it with that like red and blue though. This one is used. You guys can see those bottoms a little bit dirtied up, but overall pretty clean sneaker, man. Foamposites usually fetch some good prices as well, so this is a good first shoe. And I also appreciate that when they sent a shoe without a box, they put it in a Ziploc, because that does help it from like, you know, getting even worse when it's being shipped. So I think that's a nice little perk. And here's another one. I think this is the last one without a box actually in here. This one is a pair of Charles Barkley's though. This is some patriotic shoes, man. It's also a huge shoe. Size 10.5. This is a huge shoe for 10.5. What the heck is going on here? Kind of similar to that Foamposite that we just saw, which has like a lot of red and blue on it. This one is more like of a patriotic colorway though, I would say. Not certain what the actual name is because I'm not big on these Charles Barkley shoes, but you guys can see that little logo on the back, CB. Also looks to be in used condition, but this one was probably used once only because the bottoms are pretty darn clean. Okay, now we can get into the shoes with boxes, and I'm gonna pull this one out first because it is one of my favorite sneakers of all time. The Doernbecher series, man. I'm not sure what the exact sneaker is in here, but the series, the Doernbecher line, is one that's near and dear to my heart, man, because I just really love what Doernbecher does. So let's check this one out. It is a size 9.5. And this is what I mean, man. Like, check this thing out. This is Donovan Deneen, and he's actually the person that designed the Air Jordan 15, this specific model for Doernbecher Hospital. So very cool. I actually really like the aesthetics of this shoe. It has a really nice like metallic gold running through the shoe. Additionally, like there's like some scales going on over here, so I think that's kind of sick. Has some like Japanese kanji, which I'm not certain what that is, but I also think that's just like a really nice little added thing right there too. So very nicely designed. It's just that in terms of resale, these things don't go for too much for this specific model because the Jordan 15 is just not really something that people typically wear. So very cool of Donovan to design this one, and very cool of Nike to continue to support the Doran Becker Hospital, man. Next one out is a Air More Up Tempo size 10. I didn't even see the Supreme on the side. I should have looked. Okay. So we have a pair of the gold Supreme Up Tempos, man. This is a fire shoe right here. You guys can see has Supreme running on the side, S-U-P-R-E-M-E, replacing the Air Up Tempo look with Supreme branding instead. And this is the gold version. I think there was also a black and a red too, but this is one of the better ones in my opinion. In terms of resale, these things are actually really solid in price, so I believe that we got a couple $100 on this one, and it's in a size 10 too, man. So maybe I might have to keep that one. I think I could fit a size 10, squeeze it. We'll see. I wasn't super excited over this because I didn't see the Supreme branding, but afterwards, yeah, the resale value is definitely there. Now we can get to this one right here. And so this one is a size 8.5 Jordan 10. And this is a pair, ooh, dead stock? Is this dead stock? No, it's not dead stock. But this is a pair of the TXT Jordan 10s, or like a royal colorway. You guys can see over here, this is why I thought it was dead stock, because I don't see any markings on the top. There's basically no creasing on the leather over here as well. And then when you guys check out the bottoms, they are pretty darn clean. So it is very close to dead stock. However, I don't think I can list it as dead stock, so you guys will get a much better price for that one. Overall, really nice condition though, and it's a really nice sneaker for a Jordan 10. So if you guys are looking to pick that up, untidhawaii.com, size 8.5. So far, I'm liking the box, man. Next up, we have a Air Foamposite 1, size 8. No, what is this one? The Northern Lights, I think? This one might be dead stock, man. This is the Northern Lights Foamposite. You guys can tell why, because it kind of has like that northern light kind of glow running throughout the sneaker. But I do think that this one is dead stock. You guys can check out those bottoms. That's why I don't see any markings or dirt on here. So that makes me believe that this is probably a new shoe, which would be great value because like I was saying earlier, Foamposites go for a couple $100. So this is a good sneaker pickup right here. All right, so we got a couple shoes left. We'll pull out this Yeezy 500 box right here. This one is in a size 9. What is this? Why is there Supreme stickers in here, man? That's so confusing. Okay, well, we got 2 Supreme box logo stickers in here. I guess they forgot to pull that out when they were selling this shoe. But yeah, this is a pair of the 500 Utility Blacks in a size 9. Check this one out, man. The 500s, honestly, like I didn't really like it when I was looking at them at first, but I wear the blushes all the time. This is a utility black version though, and these things are actually like sneaky in value. The 500 series I feel like is much more stable than the 350 series recently. I'm not sure what's going on with that, but I guess a lot of people are seeing like the value and like how comfortable these are and just really like kind of like a more functional shoe. So nice pickup there. Should have a couple $100. And we have another Yeezy box in here as well. This one is a huge box though. Huge 700 box, and it is a size 14, that's why. Okay, and we do have a pair of dead stock salts, it looks like. Obviously has the tags up here still attached. Rest of the shoe looks clean and fine, but there are some little bit of like dirt and stuff on the bottom. So this might have been like a tried on pair, I would say. However, still a good pickup here because these things retail for like 300. I think that they're going for less than retail now, so maybe like 250, something like that. But either way, easy because it is a dead stock sneaker. This one is the most interesting box because I've never seen this thing in person before. I immediately was able to discern what it is because it is a unique box. Now this one is a size 10 of the Nike Adapt BBs. So let me see how this looks, man. Pull this off. Like I said, I've never opened this thing up, so this is like new to me. What the heck is going on? Whoa! I don't know how to open this, man. Oh my gosh, that's embarrassing. Anyway, this is a pair of the Adapt BBs in like that black colorway. I was hoping that it was like the Back to the Future colorway, but this one still looks kind of cool. Again, this is my first time seeing it in hand. It is very light. Bottoms do look a little bit worn, but that's okay. I might end up keeping this, to be honest, because I've never had a pair of these before. This, I'm guessing, is the charging station. So you like just basically put this on here and it's supposed to charge it because these are auto lacing sneakers. Anyway, this should fetch some decent value. I think it's like 300 something bucks. We do have one shoe left in here, and it is a Jordan box though. This one is in a size 10 and and this one is a Jordan 5 DB. I was just really hyping up Doran Becker earlier, so maybe this is a blessing from the Doran Becker gods. Oh my gosh, man. And we really did just get a pair of the DB5s, man. This one is so sick. This is like one of my favorite Doran Becker designs, actually. I think after the 4, the Doran Becker 5 is like my favorite, because check this thing out, dude. This is such a unique sneaker, and it's amazing that like a kid designed this thing, because it honestly is just one of the best designed Jordan 5s out there. So it has like these inspirational words running throughout the sneaker, has like kind of like a, I don't know, like holographic effect when I'm like moving it back and forth. You guys can kind of see that. It does look like it was used, but what I'm hoping for is that it has the light in here, the black light, because that's important. I see the extra laces in here, but no black light, unfortunately. So that's kind of a bummer. That will decrease the value a little bit, but overall, I mean, like I said, it's still a Doran Becker, and it's like one of the best ones. I think like perennially, like between everybody like in the world, I think the Jordan 4, the Jordan 5, those are like the top 2 Doran Beckers of all time. So very nice right here. Great boost of value. I'm assuming that's like 700 bucks. So really solid there, man. There was like a good diversity of shoes, man. We had like the obscure ones in the back kind of early on, Charles Barkley's and whatnot. We had a couple Yeezys in here. We got a couple Jordans. We had the Supreme Gold Up Tempos, which I completely forgot about, and the Jordan 5 Doran Becker. So this was really good of a box, actually. Like, I'm just kind of replaying it back in my head, and I feel like we came out really well on this box. I mean, it's a small sample size because this is the first box I've ever bought from Direct Kicks, but I feel like this is one that I would actually go back to again. There's been a couple boxes that we tried out from other companies in the past that I was like, I'm not sure if I would do this again, but this one had value, had diversity, had like easy to move shoes, and I feel like just overall the hype was good, and it does seem like the value is there. So I'm super stoked over that, and I hope you guys are stoked as well for week 15 of Sneaker Mystery Box Fridays, guys. Very nice box for this week, and also thank you again to Privacy.com for sponsoring the video. Don't forget to hit that link in the description below. Also, if you guys did enjoy this video and you guys are looking forward to next week, week 16 of Sneaker Mystery Box Fridays, then don't forget to hit that like button as well. Thank you guys for all the support, and until next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care. I will see you on the next video. Aloha. Shoots!